You are going to love 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, bucket seats, compass, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tinted glass, power sliding rear window, front license plate bracket, black door handles. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.